Good morning, KG2. How are you? I hope you're all good and you're doing fine. Let's take out your maths books, and from your maths books, let's take lesson 115 out, which is on page number 69. Pick your pencils up, and on the top corner of your page, let's write your name. That is your thumb rule. I've already written mine. You also write yours, okay? Now, let's look at the first question. It says, write the numbers. Now what we have here is number 44, 41, 4 and 6. When you combine them, then it becomes 46. 4 and 0, that is 40. Alright, so this is basically from the family of 40s. Now what we have to do is that we have to place their values. Now let's look here. Can you see that I've made a board here for you? This says tens and this says ones. Now, for instance, I have a number here that says 23. Alright, now what we have to do is we have to see that the number that is on my right hand side, this number is on my right hand side, right? So this goes under the value of ones. It goes under the value of 1. So I'm going to write here 3. And the number on my left hand side, it's going to be placed under tens. So I'm going to write 2 over here. So in this number, we can say that 2 is in the place of tens and 3 is under the place of ones. Let's take another example. If I have a number 16. Now let's see which one of them is ones and which one of them is tens. This is ones. Why? Because it's on my right hand side. Show me your right hand side. Very nice. That's your right hand side, the one which you write with. So you write 6 under ones and you write ones over 1 under tens. The number that is on your left hand side, you write that under tens. Now the number here is 44. What do we have here? We have 44 here. So let's write 44 here on the whiteboard. 44. Now the number that is on your right hand side, and this is on the left hand side. The right hand side ones go under the ones, and the ones on the left hand side, they go on under the tens one. There you go. So 4 and 4 makes there. Now let's do this one. Now I have 40. It says 4 tens. What does it say? 4 tens and 6 ones. Now 4 tens. So I'm going to write 4 under tens. 6 ones. 6 ones. So I'm going to write 6 under the ones place. Alright, now we have to put them together. So 4 comes first, that is on your left hand side, and 6 comes on the right hand side. So together it is 46. So I'm going to write here 46. Alright. Okay, now I want you guys to do this and this one on your own in practice. Alright. Question number 2. Find the value. What's the question? Find the value. Alright. Now, what is this? It's a $quarter. This one. Do you remember how many $quarter does? How many $quarter do we need to make $1? We need 4 $quarter to make $1. Now, do you remember the song that we did yesterday? Do you want to sing it again? Let's sing. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25 again. 25, 50, 75, $1. Great. All right. Now this is a $quarter. What is it? It's a $quarter for 25 cents, right? So I'm going to write here 25. Now what are these? These are the pennies. These are what? The pennies. So these, and the value of a penny is of 1 cent. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Let's do it again. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I'm going to write here 31. What am I going to write here? 31. I have 31 cents altogether. Now, what's this? How many quarter dollars are there? 2 quarter dollars. So 2 quarter dollars. Let's look here. 25, 50, 75, $1, right? So how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is the $1. But here we have only 2 cents. So, 2 quarter dollars. So 1, 2, right? So there are 2 of them. And 2, when we have 2 quarter dollars, then what is it equal to? 50. So let's write here 50. I have 50 cents altogether, all right? Now let's look at this. How many are there? Let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many quarter dollars do I have? 4. Now let's look here on the board again. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now I also have 4 here and I have 4 there. So what's the last one? It's a dollar. What is it? It's a dollar. So I'm going to write here 1. Okay. Now how many are these? Can you tell me what are these? It's a quarter dollar, and then I have a nickel. What do I have? A nickel. So the value of this quarter dollar is 25, and the value of nickel is 5. So 25, let's count by 5s. 25, 30. What is it? 30. So I'm going to write here 30 cents. All right? All right. Now question number 3. Match the season. What are seasons? We have 4 major seasons, and in our seasons we've got summer, fall, winter, spring. Now what happens in summer? It gets very hot and we get all very sweaty, and we like to have more of cold things like ice cream and milkshakes and everything that's cold, everything that's refreshing, right? And where would you like to go in summer? I'd like to go to a beach and have a nice swim. What about you? Do you guys like swimming? If you do, then let's all go to the beach. Here you go. We've reached the beach. All right. Now what is fall? Fall is the season when all the leaves of the trees change their color and they start falling off of the trees. So let's match this with this picture. Winter. What's winter? Winter is when things are really cold and there's snowfall, and when we have to wear warm clothes, that's when the winter is. In this picture, in these 2 pictures that are left, which one shows that it's snowing? This one or this one? This one. So let's match this with this one. Now spring. Spring. What is spring? Spring is when we have flowers, lots and lots of flowers, and all the trees start getting their leaves back and the grass gets green. That is when it's spring. So we're going to match this with this green picture. All right, easy, right? Now question number 4. Color 1 equal part in each shape. Color. All right, I have my colors here. Do you guys have your colors there with you? Let's take your colors out and let's color. Now these pictures, can you see all these pictures, different pictures? They are all divided into equal parts. Now I have to color only, this is your cue, that what you have to do in here. So it says only 1 equal part. So I'm only going to color 1 part of this. There you go. I've colored 1 part, you color the rest, all right? Subtract. Now what happens in subtract? Subtract or subtraction. What happens here is when we give away things from what we already have, all right? Now, this is the number line that we have here, and this is from the 20s family. Which family is it from? 20s. Very good. All right. Now, let's count with me. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, I have here is 25. This is horizontal questions, all right? These are in the horizontal form. 25. Now, 25 minus, this sign tells me that I have to take away 5. From 25, I have to take away how many? Only 5. So I'm going to hop where? Forward or backward? Backwards. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which number did I stop on? 20. So I'm going to write here 20. Easy, right? Now, why don't you guys try doing these on your own and show me your work tomorrow, okay? Best of luck with doing this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Goodbye. Take care.